Have you ever felt anxious when trying to speak Arabic? Absolutely, you are not alone. Many of the non-native speakers worry about making mistakes or not knowing the right words, leading to frustrating pauses in conversation. Those moments of silence or the awful or any other silence gap that can interrupt the flow of the dialogue. Having observed non-native students struggling with these challenges, I totally understand how difficult it can be to step out of your comfort zone and speak up. So don't worry, it's completely normal. In this video, we'll explore together effective strategies and some tips to help you speak Arabic more confidently and relaxed, and avoid those gaps and pauses, and start enjoying engaging in your conversations. So let's get started. Now that we have addressed the fear of speaking, let's explore a practical tool to maintain the flow of the conversation. Filler words. These expressions help you gather your thoughts and sound more natural in Arabic. In modern standard Arabic, or call it MSA or call it Al-Arabiyatul Fus-ha, here are the most 3 used common filler words. The first filler word is حسناً. حسناً. حسناً, meaning okay or well, often used to acknowledge or transition in conversation. The second filler word is في الواقع. في الواقع. في الواقع, meaning in fact, often used to clarify a particular point or clarify your thoughts in general. The third filler word is على كل حال. على كل حال. على كل حال. It means anyway, and it's actually the most used common filler word in Arabic, you can say. It's literally translated to on every case, but it's usually used as anyway. So in the same situations that you use anyway in English, you can use على كل حال. على كل حال. على كل حال. Okay, على كل حال دعنا نذهب من هنا. على كل حال أنا أفهم هذا. Put على كل حال in any part of the sentence, it will go very right, okay? So again, we have 3 commonly used filler words in MSA or Al-Arabiyatul Fusha, which are حسناً, في الواقع, and على كل حال. Additionally, in the Egyptian dialect, you might face 2 very popular fillers, which are يعني and تمام. The first filler word يعني, 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 meaning it means or I mean. You can use it in any sentence actually. You will hear it very much if you are dealing with any Egyptian guy. The second filler word is تمام. تمام, and make like this with your thumb. It means okay, okay or well, okay. تمام. 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 If anyone said to you anything or asked you to do anything, you can say تمام. For example, if you are in a restaurant and someone asks you, do you need any other thing? You say تمام. تمام. Okay. Okay, that's enough. تمام. تمام. Those 2 filler words, you can use them if you want to speak the Egyptian Arabic dialect, or if you are dealing with Arabs in general, or especially with the Egyptian guys. Incorporating those expressions into your conversation can help you bridge the gaps without those pauses. For sure, if someone asks you a question and you want a moment to think, saying حسناً can give you those seconds to gather your thoughts. But take care, while filler words can enhance your fluency, they can distract your message if you are using them too much more than normal. Find the right balance that works for you, and as you practice speaking, try to experiment those filler words to enhance your fluency and enrich your conversation. The second strategy you should follow to speak Arabic confidently and avoid those silence gaps is to practice speaking. Set a dedicated time each week to practice speaking. Engaging in different conversations is essential for building your fluency and confidence. So get excited about seeking any opportunity to practice speaking. Whether it's with a language exchange partner or conversation groups or chatting with a friend who speaks Arabic, immersing yourself in the language will reinforce your skills and highly boost your self-confidence. And remember that making mistakes is a part of the journey. Each error you make is a stepping stone toward fluency. And by incorporating regular speaking practice into your routine, you will find that communicating in Arabic not only becomes easier, but also it becomes more enjoyable. So let's get talking. And the third strategy you should follow to speak confidently and avoid silence gaps is to build and expand your vocabulary and phrases. A rich vocabulary empowers you to express your thoughts clearly and simply. Start by learning new words every day. Use flashcards, apps, and keep a vocabulary notebook and set a goal to learn a specific number of words each week and review them regularly. But don't stop at individual words. Start to learn phrases and expressions that are used in everyday conversations. This will very much help you to sound more natural and more fluent. And group the words you learn under a theme or a title like food, travel, hobbies, and so on to make your learning words more organized and relevant. And it's very important to start using these new vocabs into your conversation. The more you use these vocabs and phrases into your conversation, the more comfortable you will feel using them. So embrace the journey of expanding your vocabulary and phrases and watch out how it will transform your level and speaking with confidence in Arabic. And the fourth step towards smoother conversation is to practice active listening. This skill is crucial for effective communication and can significantly enhance your speaking abilities. Active listening means fully concentrating on what the other person is saying rather than just waiting for your turn to speak. When you listen attentively, you gain valuable context, which allows you to respond more thoughtfully and confidently. To practice active listening, focus on what the other person is saying and focus also on his body language. Like when I told you that you should do like this when you say tamam, or when you say hasanan, or when you say anything like this, or if you're asking question, making like can I or hal yumkinuni, nod like this to show you are engaging, and ask clarifying questions to deepen your understanding. This not only helps you connect better with the speaker, but it also gives you more material to draw upon it when it's your turn to speak. By improving your active listening skills, you will find the conversations feel more smoother and you will find yourself more confident when contributing and when trying to speak Arabic. So make active listening a priority in your interactions and watch how it will elevate your speaking skills. Now let's address a significant barrier that many learners face: anxiety. Managing your anxiety is very essential for speaking more confidently and avoid those frustrating silence gaps. Start by accepting your feelings. Feeling worried or a little nervous when you try to speak a new language is completely normal. And to manage this, try practicing deep breathing exercises before your conversation or your speech. Inhale deeply, hold for some seconds, and exhale slowly. Repeat this 4, 5, or 6 times. This can help you very much in calming down your nerves and preparing you mentally. I personally use this approach and it works, by the way, in many different situations. Lastly, remind yourself that everyone makes mistakes. Embrace them as part of the learning process. And as I told you, the more you practice and the more you expose yourself to speaking situations, the more comfortable you will become, but over time. In conclusion, speaking Arabic confidently and avoiding silence gaps is very achievable with the right strategies. Use the filler words we mentioned, expand and learn new vocabularies, start to improve your active listening skills, and finally, manage your anxiety. And remember, it's a journey, and every step you take it brings you closer to your goal, which is fluency. It's an equation of time, consistency, and long practice. Here we are at the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video or find it helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more videos on this topic and more about learning the Arabic language. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends to help them benefit as well. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any specific topics you'd like me to cover in the future. And also don't forget to get your free copy of my book 100 Must-Know Words for Beginners, which will very much help you at the beginning of learning Arabic. I'll drop the link in the description. Just hit the link and subscribe to my newsletter Arabic Secrets and get your free copy of the book. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video and مع السلامة.